All right, this is Joseph from IndustrialSage here at MODEX 2018 in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm really excited to be sitting here today with Patrick from Folding Guard. How are you doing today, Pat?
I'm doing well, Joseph. Thanks for asking.
Great. And how are you enjoying the trade show so far?
We're enjoying it very much. It's been very busy, and so that's a good thing. Very optimistic.
Perfect. And you're getting a lot of people coming by and looking at these cages you got here?
We are. A lot of different comments and questions, but it's been real good.
All right, good. Hopefully I don't ask any of the wrong questions. I don't want to get locked in here later on.
Yeah. No.
So, what kind of things are you most excited to showcase here at the trade show or looking into 2018?
Well, Folding Guard's into safety, security, and storage products, so we're like to showcase our storage products at this show particularly. Our claim to fame is our welded wire material, so all of our products come from that. We're pretty excited about the industry this year in 2018.
All right, great. And are there any particular ways that you are, bringing this to market to get the word out and
trade shows? So we're gonna do a lot more trade shows this year. Try to kick up our marketing efforts through the internet, Google.
Okay.
What we're
are you involved at all in that digital space?
We are. We're just trying to kick it up to the next level.
Okay.
That's where we're at.
Are you using a CRM by any chance?
We are.
What are you using?
SuperOffice. So it's been pretty good. It's rather new to us, so we're about 2 months into it, but it's been a good system.
So everyone's getting to know their way around the new system and how it works.
Yeah, just getting our feet wet with it, but it's good. We like it.
All right, great. And Pat, if anybody wants to get in touch with you or your company when they see this video at home or at the office, what's the best way to reach you?
Like I said, my name is Patrick McMahon. The best way to reach me is email patrick.mcmahon@foldingguard.com.
All right, thanks very much. Appreciate your time, and good luck this week.
Thank you.